We've arrived, baby. War Memorial Park. This is, I don't know what race this is because I haven't done any of them so far.
It's the Warwickshire Road Race League Sphinx Summer 5.
Got about an hour to go. Need to do a warm up. 5 miles, 2 laps around the park. Hayley's giving this a miss.
Yeah.
But she will be at Two Castles, 4 days time. Temperature 14 degrees.
Are we going this way?
Hey guys.
Are you not racing?
Wow, I've got those exact shoes.
What are those?
Just done a 3k warm up, 45 minutes to go. I'll now have a cheeky beetroot shot, and I've also packed a cheeky caffeine Kendall mint gel. The kids race is underway. Now to find where my numbers are.
The man, the myth, the legend. in his own mind.
What do you predict I'm going to do, Hayley?
Give me your best time again.
My best time is here, 27:12. My best time at Sphinx 2 years ago, so I didn't do it last year, 28:33. And I'm ill. No, I'm not ill.
Injured or ill? Live.
I am not fit and my calves are aching.
28:20. We're gonna go.
Hang on.
Yeah.
Okay.
at this, the perils of watching. I didn't even get cake for it. But we are off for a very special version of What's in the Bag. This time though, it's not from the race, it is a Too Good To Go that's nearby. Collection time is a 10-minute window, so hopefully Ryan's quick on his cool down, else that cool surprise is gone.
Okay, so we are en route for What's in the Box.
What's in the bag? Box, bag, box, bag.
Today it was a good event, not good for me. As always, I'm getting the excuses in, and to put it bluntly, I did shocking.
Yeah.
Hayley said when I ran past her that I looked depressed. That's always a good sign. We'll put the time Hayley guessed here. This is the actual time I did. Cue the sad music.
I have to be optimistic.
I could feel that. Second lap in, that was a struggle. You can probably see in my pace graph that there was a slow death, and I'm doing a 10k on Sunday, so I think I might have to reassess my goals.
Do you have a goal?
Not blow up, probably just enjoy the vibes instead, I think, because I can't do 6 in Warwickshire Road Race League. You need to be doing 6 of the 9 races to count in your table, and I can only do 3 of them, so I'm just going to enjoy it, take it all in, make it as a reset, no pressure, and enjoy it. Did you enjoy watching?
It was good, but it was chilly. I've either got very bad hay fever or I'm ill, so that's fun. But I did get to meet some of our fans before.
Hayley met a fan.
Yeah, before the start when Ryan was getting all the B-roll, I met a fan of ours, so thank you for coming and saying hi.
I would say for next year with this race, the 2 key points, the water and the start line. The start line, I think, is the worst I've ever seen it. I think the problem is they do it like a park run, where they walk everyone to the start and then they tell you to turn around. So there's no order of the actual finish position at all, and everyone's just in everyone's way. And with the water, no one was handing the water out, so I had to do a little claw machine and hopefully not destroy the table in the process. I did get a sip of water.
We need to practice that for you.
I can't.
It's becoming an issue.
I hate
You
the
can't get a reputation for destroying everyone's water.
I'm getting a reputation for destroying water stations, so I don't know if it's me being really bad at taking the water. I know Mom just has to stop and just talks to them and has a nice drink, but I've just got to run and go. I can't be doing any of that faff. But yeah, they're my only 2 things. The medal was lovely.
Cake? How was
And
the cake?
there was a lot of cake. There was like a Colin the Caterpillar. They had a custom made one. Look at that medal. Juicy. Proper metal as well. Nice hefty one. So can't complain about the medal. Can just complain about my time. But that is my own doing. But hopefully you like that race. I will get on to the What's in the Bag now.
Wow, we can't wait to eat that. You only had 10 minutes to collect it, so luckily we timed it, but that is a good thing to do if you come here.
It only cost us $5.99.
Feast, feast, feast,
Feast!
Yes, yeah.
On to our next adventure.